Picture this, you are lounging on the sun deck of a 150-foot mega yacht cruising down the Amalfi Coast, living your absolute best life, when your little one decides it is time for lunch. The last thing you want to do is fight with awkward, super tight swimwear straps or ruin your ultra glam aesthetic with a clunky, basic nursing suit. Being a breastfeeding mama on a luxury vacation shouldn't mean sacrificing your high fashion style for functionality. Today, we are spilling the tea on the absolute best designer swimwear for nursing on a mega yacht, so you can look like a total queen while keeping your baby fed and happy. Welcome back to Milky Way Travels, your ultimate guide for high-end travel and effortless motherhood. We know that spending thousands of bucks on a yacht charter means you want photos that look straight out of Vogue, but you also need gear that actually works for your nursing journey. Grab a mimosa or an iced coffee, hit that save button, and let's jump right in. Today we are breaking down the top designer picks, fabric hacks, and deck-to-dinner styling secrets that will make breastfeeding at sea a breeze. First up, let's talk stealth designer suits with hidden nursing access. You do not need to limit yourself to traditional maternity brands when you are going for that bougie yacht aesthetic. Look for high-fashion mainlines that naturally feature plunge-wrap silhouettes, functional front zippers, or tortoise-shell button details. Brands like Zimmermann and Marisha make stunning one-pieces with deep plunge necklines and stretch fabrics that effortlessly pull down for nursing without stretching out the suit. Another total game-changer is high-waisted crinkle fabric suits from brands like Hunza G. The hyper-stretchy material adapts to your changing body, hugs every curve in all the right places, and pulls down easily when it is time to feed, bouncing right back into shape afterward. Next, let's address the reality of salt, sun, and breast milk on a super yacht deck. When you are cruising at 20 knots, the last thing you want is to sit around in soaking wet, cold fabric after a feeding session. Invest in suits crafted from ultra-premium Italian lycra with built-in UPF 50 protection. Premium fabrics dry in minutes under the Mediterranean sun, preventing cold chills and skin irritation for both you and your baby. Also, pro tip for leak prevention, opt for textured ribbed fabrics or darker luxury tones like deep emerald, classic navy, or timeless black. They hide any unexpected leaks seamlessly while you are socializing with guests on the bow, keeping you confident and completely stress-free. Finally, let's talk deck-to-dinner styling hacks. A great nursing swimsuit on a yacht should double as a high-end bodysuit. Pair a chic, front-clasping black swimsuit with tailored silk wide-leg trousers, a sheer linen kimono, and oversized designer sunglasses. You can seamlessly transition from a morning nursing session on the teak deck straight into a champagne lunch at a beach club in Saint-Tropez without needing a full outfit change. It is all about working smarter, not harder, so you spend less time in your cabin changing clothes and more time soaking up the sunshine. Navigating motherhood on a luxury getaway doesn't mean putting your personal style on pause. With the right designer pieces and smart styling, you can conquer any yacht vacation looking effortlessly chic. If you loved these luxury travel hacks and want more real talk on sleek baby gear and high-end trips, hit that subscribe button right now. Give this video a thumbs up if you are dreaming of a yacht trip, and drop a comment below telling us your favorite designer brand for vacation wear. Thanks for tuning in to Milky Way Travels, and we will see you on the next adventure. Safe travels, mamas.